Hey, what's up, guys? Been gone for a while, but lots been happening. Got a new job and everything, so I've been like transitioning over to that. I finally got the car fully wrapped for the most part. Uh, all the most of the panels are fully wrapped. Um, the fenders is not wrapped, and the hood isn't wrapped yet. What I'm thinking to do is I want to attempt to skin this in carbon fiber or forged carbon. I'm gonna start with the two fenders, then I'm gonna do the hood, and realistically I'm still waiting on my new front end. I don't know when the new front end is gonna come. I keep messaging in them, but I'm not really getting a response. I got a response like 2 months ago, and it says pretty much a month to 3 months. It's been about 2 months already, so hopefully soon I'll get a shipping update. So pretty much this is gonna be my practice fender. It has a hole in it when I bought the new fenders. Well, not new fenders, used fenders off a different car. I had a side marker there, but the other side didn't have a side marker, so you know, it's kind of stupid. But anyways, now I'm trying to take it off. I'm gonna take it off, prep it, bring it to work tomorrow, and then start the forged carbon process. I have to take the side off. I never done forged carbon. I've done a carbon skin. It wasn't great. Oh shit. I've done a skin before. It wasn't great. Hey. But what I did was my shifter bezel. You know, it's a little lumpy. But that was my first time a couple months ago. Now I'm gonna try a different version of it. Alright, it's the next day. I got my fenders at work. I'm about to prep them and start last night. I put a little patch right here just so I can make the section flat, because I had the guy I bought the fenders off of had a hole right here for a side marker, but like oddly enough he only had it on one side and the other side was just regular. So I'm gonna patch this some more and then get this fender prepped up, wash it up, whatever case is, clean it, and then get started. So I got the fenders sanded up. They're all sanded. Put some tape around certain edges that I don't want epoxy on. I got all my equipment out, the epoxy, the cups, the chopped carbon. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera. I have clear coat, some rollers, a scale, a spray gun. These are the paintbrushes actually. This is the scale. So I'm about to put some batteries in this, mix this up, put my first layer of resin on it, and then I'll probably go out to the store to get some sandpaper and probably some food or something in the meantime, because it's going to take about like an hour maybe to dry. Hopefully this is a quicker setting one. I believe I bought that. I'm not sure, I forgot. But yeah, this is what it is so far. Literally, here goes nothing. I know as much as YouTube taught me, so complete DIY. Hopefully it comes out pretty good, because next I want to do my hood. I want to do the lower part of my rear bumper, and I might do my lip, because my lip on my front bumper is kind of messed up. So I might do that just to hide most of the imperfections instead of doing body work to a lip. Okay, so I got the first coat of epoxy down, and if anyone knows me, I don't do anything the same as everyone else. I always add something to mostly anything I'm doing. So this is the fender right now. As you can tell, I just didn't do just epoxy, so hopefully through whatever black is showing through the forged carbon, hopefully this metallic flakes will come out and show through, so I have like a little, you know, a nice little surprise maybe in the sun when it's wet or whatever the case is. If anybody seen my last couple colors, it always had a very deep metallic in the sun. So that's pretty much what I'm going with for the fenders right now. But I'm about to run out and get some sandpaper and whatever else I might need in the meantime. Until this gets a little tacky, then I'm gonna start applying the fiberglass. This is the fender with the shredded carbon on it. As you can see, it sparkles a little bit. Alright, so the update is the forged carbon is down. I try to get it pretty flat. That's what the peeling that you saw me doing just now. Peeling the paper off of it. I put the paper on it so I could use this roller right here and roll it as flat as I can. Every time I touch it though, it comes on my hand, so gotta be careful. But that's the update for now. That's gonna be it for today. The last thing that's left that I'm probably gonna do today is let it dry. And I took it outside because I put these fabric cloth. For some reason, this kind of cloth doesn't stick to it. Like, it peels right up. It doesn't stick to it, so that's kind of good. So I pressed the cloth in and mashed everything as flat as I can get it. So hopefully when it's dried and I peel this off, everything will be flat and easy to sand. It's not perfect, but like I said, it's my first time doing this. It'll be easier. So I'm gonna let that dry. Maybe I'll leave soon and come back later on at night. By the time it dry, it should be nighttime. But today's my only day off, and when work starts again tomorrow, I'll be back to not really having time to do it. So hopefully I get some time after work to do it. But yeah, I got a lot of work tomorrow. All the cars lined up. This is one of the shop cars, and this thing will be a beast when it's finished. See that right there? Shit's gonna be crazy. I forgot his Instagram. I don't know if it's that. I think he changed it. This is his shop name. There's a separate shop from where I work, but this is his own little business he has. He's the one who built this car. This car is insane. Hopefully it's done within a week or two. You can't even see anything. I think it's open. But this car is crazy. But anyways, like I said, that's it for today. I'm gonna have to make a part 2 to this video to show you how the rest of it comes out. So like I said, hopefully it dries great. It dries evenly as possible. So when I start sanding it, it sands as even as possible. So maybe after I sand it the first time, I'll put like maybe 2 more coats of resin, sand it again, get it flat. Maybe I'll polish it, see how good it turns out. But even if I polish it at the end of it, I'm still clear coat it. I bought some automotive clear. I don't know how good it is. I don't know the brand. I bought a spray gun and I'm gonna clear it, and then I'll polish the clear. So this actually sounds like it's gonna be like 2-3 more days of work. My car is at home sitting, car cover over it. Just my car is always sitting, so I'm gonna get used to it. But anyways, peace out.